What do you do? Are you teacher of network?
Yes. No, I am a student of Darul Uloom.
Yes. My name is Abdullah. I am from United States of America.
Yes.
And I arrived Lucknow for visiting Nepal. Could you tell me what is Nepal about, its goal and why it was founded?
My brother Abdullah. Nahdlatul Ulama means Council of Islamic Scholars. It is an educational and reformational movement founded in 1891 in 1892 in Madrasa Fizan Kanpur by Molana Faisal and his companions. And its main goals are four. The first goal, syllabus reformation, to create fundamental reforms in curriculum of Madaris and preparation of new syllabus and aid modern knowledge. الجمع بين القديم الصالح والجديد النافع. A conference of traditional Islamic subjects with modern knowledge. And second goal is to produce such scholars who can handle both the essential Islamic teachings and new challenges popping out. My dear brother Abdullah, I mean, my dear brother Abdullah, who can understand and inspire Islam through the original sources, the Quran and Hadith, as well as today's issues, and who are aware of pulse of the time. And the third goal, promoting Islamic unity and brotherhood. And fourth goal is to publish Islamic teachings, especially to make our non-Muslims brothers.
What is Darul Ulama? As you have described that you are students of Darul Ulama, it is different from network percent.
My brother, Darul Uloom, it is an academic unit of Nahdlatul Ulama movement. When the Madaris didn't accept reformation in syllabus, Nahdlatul Ulama decided to build an ideal Darul Uloom in 1898 in Lucknow. And mashallah, my brother, you are in Darul Uloom.
Oh. What Darul Ulum purpose for the students?
Yes, my brother. Darul Uloom purpose: first, completion of knowledge and art. Second, developing proficiency in Islamic teachings, like especially fiqh and new methods of ilm kalam. And third, to create Islamic morals and modesty among Muslims. And fourth, to create excellent condition and great courage among the students.
Great. Nadwa is great movement and its goals are very great. And I was before meeting you understanding that Nadwa is a big madrasa like others. But you have informed me what is this. What is the educational system here?
The educational is split in three main stages. The first stage is 6-year primary section. It's called Ibtidaiya. It's teaching Islamic basic subjects in Urdu and including Hindi and English as per the students, as per the government's standard school. And second stage is Sanawiyya. In 5 years is like middle and high school, teaching Arabic, English, Islamic science and social science as per government's norms. And third stage is Aliyah, a 4-year program, graduation levels, and is focused on higher education like tafsir, fiqh, hadith and Arabic literatures.
Is there anything else after that?
Yes, my brother. There is 1 year for completion of some hadith books like Sahih al-Bukhari, As-Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abi Dawud, and some other books. It's called Takmeel. And 1 year for specialized in some subjects like tafsir, hadith, fiqh, dawah, and Arabic literatures. It's called Tahassus. But the last 2 years is not mandatory for everyone. It is optional.
Is there any activity for students?
Yes, my brother. There is a students' union. It's called Jamaatul Islam. Under this union, various type of activities be held, various type of programs My brother, this is the season of annual function.
Wow.
You can attend many programs. And there is another organization. It's called An-Nadil Arabi. It organizes a lot of programs in Arabic language like war magazines, speech, conversation, debate, and there is Al-Musajatu Shariya. You can attend the Basya Hall after Maghrib. I also participate in this program.
Inshallah, I will attend. You are speaking English very well. Where do you learn English?
My brother, I learn English in Nadwa English Speaking Center, which opened in this year for enhance students' communication skills. And there is nowadays there is annual function like drama, debate, conversation, Dars Quran, and tomorrow speech program. I participated in this program. You can attend.
Inshallah, I will definitely attend, especially for listening to you.
Thank you so much. If you come, you will become welcome.
Thanks. Is there any library for students?
Yes, my brother. There is a lot of libraries in every department, in every hostel. There is separate library, but the main library is called Allama Shibli Library, and it's the biggest library in India, and it's very famous.
So yes, I had heard this name, but now unfortunately I forget it. Thank you for reminding.
Yes.
Nadwa is very great institution. Now I wish to get admission in Nadwa. How can it be possible?
My brother, Darul Uloom has solution for everyone. There is 5 years a special course for those students who came from colleges and universities. It's called Khususi.
Inshallah, next year I will get admission in Nadwa. How many students in Nadwa?
Near about 3,000.
And who is principal?
Dr. Sayyidul Rahman Azami Nadwi.
But what is Molana Faisal Nadwi? Then I also had his name.
He is Nazim.
What is Nazim? What do you mean?
Nazim like Chancellor and Director.
Oh, got it. Great. May Allah show you the health and wealth. You have shared a lot of information with me. Thank you so much.
I also honored to introduce Nurul Ulama before you. Thank you so much.
I came here for visiting Nadwa. You can see with me for guiding.
Yes, I am ready.
Inshallah, we will see the hostels of students, the hall, the school building, and we will meet students, teachers,